Hey, I've got a 4-pack of these black compression sleeves. The brand did send these to me. I'm going to give you my honest opinion. Like I said, you're getting a 4-pack. I really like the fact that they've got this little thumb spot right here. And what that does is, number one, it's going to add a little bit more of protection around the hand, but it's going to keep the sleeve from sliding down. Now, not everybody likes that, so you can go ahead and take your thumb out of that and just wear it just like a regular compression sleeve. So these are going to be great for volleyball because it's going to go ahead and give you a little bit of protection when you're going and you're bumping the ball. But really, you can wear these for any sport, for any reason. You're getting compression. I don't feel like it's squeezing the life out of my bicep. I've had compression sleeves in the past where you put them on, they're really tight, and they almost cut your circulation off. This is like compressed, but not overly compressed, if that makes sense. So let me show you how easy these are to slide on and off. So there you go, that was just taking it off. And if I wanna slide it on, it's almost like you're putting on a sock, right? Slide it over and we're on, just a couple of seconds. And you're getting 4 of these, so I feel like I have all my mobility. So if you're using these for baseball, if you're gonna wear them when you're playing golf, you can wear them for basketball, really any sport, you're gonna be able to wear these compression sleeves. I'm getting the support that I need. It's kind of promoting a little bit of circulation. I feel like the warmth there. And again, it's not cutting off the circulation up here. So a much better value than what you're gonna be getting out of the big box stores. So definitely check these out. That's my quick review, and thanks for watching.